Good morning, students. From last few weeks, we are sending some social activities videos. Now, you are just leave all the physical activity, maybe. So now what we will do, we are sending some activities related to circuit training. तो आपको अपनी physical health का भी बहुत ध्यान रखना है. So this week, you do this work at your home. Thank you.
Our training that we are written here start. So you have to be start point. You have to stand there. Then come to that boxes. Number 1 box, you have to put your legs together in an attention position. Then taking jump number 2 and number 3. So alternate. In one step, you have to put your feet together. In next step, you have to broad your feet and put it on that ground. In this manner, you will be having that 10 steps. So 10 jump you have to be take. It means your physical fitness will be increased. Then after that 10, you have to be take jump and both the feet put it on that stars. 2 stars make. Then come to that next station. There will be lines are there. In these lines, you have to be run and put your knees up and down. One by one step. When we have that give demonstration, that time you have to be understand very easily how to perform this activity. After finishing of this 10 rows, there are circles. So you can see that 2 circles are nearby and 2 are little bit away from that. So put your hands on your waist, then you have to take jump feet, both the feet on that A and B, it's written. Then next jump little bit broad in 2 circles C and D and simultaneously till the K and L. We already written these numbers only for understanding to how to perform these activities. 2 circles are nearby and 2 are broad. This activity continuously you have to do. You don't have time to wait for someone. You alone can do it at your terrace. Now next you just see on that block it's written hopping. So after hopping there is a semicircle curve is there. So put your hand on your waist and again you have to start jumping. But that hopping, it is not jumping, you have to hop. Hop means both the feet together, then take that complete semicircle, then again come to that circles. There are circles. According to that, now you hop straight forward on that circle. So it's in zigzag position. So you take jump together, both the feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. You have to be cover up with that hopping. Put your hands on your waist. Then come to that next station. These are the stations where you have to be relax your body for 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds, because if you will wait more than 30 seconds, so your body temperature will down. Next activity is for that push-ups. You all of you know how to perform push-ups, so no problem. According to your capacity, you see that it's written there push-ups. So it will be easy for you to understand in which station what you have to do. In push-ups, put your hands on this box, proper position, and 10 to 15 push-ups are required for do that station. It's not easy job. You don't try it beyond your limit. If it's possibility for 5 push-ups, so you do it only 5. Next, that some cones are putting on the row. So cones for that, after this that push-up, you have to be zigzag run. Zigzag run, it means you have to be go through these cones. So this will be continuously. आपको इसी के लिए ये कोन्स रखने से आपको समझ में भी आएगा एक कोन को क्रॉस नहीं करना है. This is the activity, little bit interesting for that little students also, small students, bigger one, and all the classes. Reason behind we are planning to perform or we are planning to give this activity because all the students class 1 to 12 will be managed to do. It's not required that you have to attend all the stations if push-ups are not possible for class 1 or 2 students, so you maybe do some other activity, or you have to take that sit-ups, or you have to be jump on that sport like that. But we are planning to all the students, for all the students we have to give something. Next is that Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is part of yoga and as well as that part of physical fitness also. The Surya Namaskar, you come to that box, it's mentioned there, it's this station, Surya Namaskar, you have to perform. So again, I will suggest you, according to your capacity, for that 9th onwards students, you have to be do 5 times Surya Namaskar, or that small students maybe 1 or 2 times. So it's also very hectic and very tired activity. After that, come to that next box, that is frog jump is mentioned there. तो फ्रॉग जंप का मतलब आपको जो सर्कल्स आगे बना रखे हैं हमने, उसके अंदर जंप करना है. आपको क्या करना है? फ्रॉग जंप. यू ऑल ऑफ यू नो कैसे फ्रॉग जंप करते हैं. सो व्हाट विल बी यू डू? कम टू दैट बॉक्स, कम फॉरवर्ड, jump on this two circles. Again 5 sets is there, 5 circles together are there. According to that you have to be take jump. आपको इसको जंप लेना है, बॉडी को पूरा ऊपर जंप लेना है, उसके बाद ही आपको आगे जाना है. दोनों पाँव आपके सर्कल के अंदर आने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, आफ्टर दैट वन स्ट्रेट लाइन वी आर पुटिंग, सो दैट you have to be walk on that. So what happen will be there, so little bit relaxation will be you feel. अगली अपन जो एक्टिविटी करेंगे that will be skipping rope. skipping rope आप सभी को आता है. इवन आप लोग कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करेंगे तो skipping rope is must to perform. So next skipping rope is putting there. You have to take skipping rope, then do it. Again I will say according to your capacity, according to your fitness level, 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. Finish it, put it that skipping rope on that position, come forward. Then in next box it's mentioned side jump, sideways jump. Within that, apart from that box, 2 circles are there. Swing your hand sideways, open your feet, take your arm parallel to your shoulders, then take 15 to 20 jumps sideways. So it will be also. Then next is the one long line is there. On that you have to be walk. Walk, it means you have to be close to your feet. You have to be balance your body and you have to be closely put your feet together. Then you have to be walk one semicircle till that complete. You have to be go to next station, that is sit-ups. sit-ups मतलब आपको बताएंगे तो उठक बैठक जो कि आप स्कूल में लगाते हैं, काम नहीं करते हैं तो टीचर देते हैं ये. तो that is part of exercise also for fitness. Teachers are give this punishment as a punishment, but you have to be enjoy this. So next is sit-ups. sit-ups पे आपको आ जाना है. इतनी possibility, your possibility के हिसाब से, your आपकी कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से आप आइए आगे उसमें. Do it sit-ups. Come to next station. Then this is little bit hard. If your physical fitness is not up to the mark, so it will be difficult for you to complete that. But try it and at least 10 times come forward and 10 times take your that position as that push-ups. Push-ups की position ही लेनी है इसमें. Then both the legs will come forward and both the legs will go backward. These activity you have to be do for that 10 to 15 times. It will be very panic those who are not physical fit or not doing regular exercises. So we are suggesting you to do these activities at your terrace, so it will be improve your physical fitness. Come forward for that next exercise, side stretching. Side stretching, again you see that circles are there. Put your one leg on that one circle, left hand side, then another, your right leg will be on that right hand side circle. Then stretch your body, sit properly and again do simultaneously for that circles. So these all the activities, some more activities we are trying to add, but in later stage we will give you that long circuit, so it will be for that improving your physical fitness. Maybe 15 days you will be able to do as much as you possible for you, or you can do in better manner. In later stage we will give you that some more stations, so it will be easy for you. Thank you very much. Good morning, students. We give that your circuit training, so I hope you all understand how to do, and according to your place, according to your convenience, according to your space, you have to do at your home, so it will be easy for you. So busy yourself physically, morning, evening, whatever time you are getting, you do these activities. I am sure about that, that will be definitely beneficial for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you.